Labor Day is an annual day of celebration of the labor movement and its achievements. It has its origins in the labor union movement, specifically the 8-hour day movement, which advocated 8 hours for work, 8 hours for recreation, and 8 hours for rest. In most countries, Labor Day is synonymous with, or linked with, International Workers' Day, which happens on the 1st of May. Originally chosen to commemorate the 1886 general strike, which culminated in the Haymarket Affair. For other countries, Labor Day is celebrated on a different date, often one with special significance for the labor movement in that country. Labor Day is a public holiday in many countries. Labor Day is an appreciation of the working classes promoted by the international labor movement and is celebrated on the 1st of May in many countries, including Pakistan. The day aims to renew pledge to acknowledge and promote the dignity of laborers. President Asif Ali Zardari and Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif on Thursday reaffirmed the government's commitment to the welfare and uplift of workers.